How's it going? In this video I'm going to show you how to find a missing microphone on a Samsung phone. So if your microphone button is missing from the messages, then this is what you do. Open up your settings and then come down and go into your general management. And then from here you want to select keyboard list and default. And at the very bottom, make sure keyboard button on navigation bar is enabled. Then after that, you come into your Samsung keyboard settings, scroll down, come into voice input, and make sure it's set to Google Voice Typing or Samsung Voice Input. And then finally, you want to make sure that the Samsung keyboard is set as your default keyboard. So to do that, you go to keyboard list and default, and then ensure that Samsung keyboard is your main keyboard, and that should fix the missing microphone. So thank you for watching.